Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can make a cool video by combining the blur, black flash and glow effects in CapCut. So first you just need to add your clips and then go to the video effects. Click on the video effects and first add the blur effect. Click on the opening and closing and select the oblique blur effect. Put it in between the clips and make it short. Copy it and then copy for the next clips like this. Now for the second clip, I'm going to add the mini zoom effect. So go to the video effects, lens, and find the mini zoom effect, this one, and adjust the effect the same as the first one like this. Copy it and then put it for the next clip. And now the third effect is the black flash. Go to video effect, night clip, and find the black flash effect. Okay, this one, make it short, and I'm going to adjust the speed. I'm going to lower the speed into around 10. Okay, copy it again, put it for the next clip, and lastly I'm going to add the edge glow effect. So you can find it on the lens and click on edge glow here and put it under all of the effects before. Okay, so now you are done and here is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and click on thanks. Bye.